my name is Pinky, and today what we're gonna make is chicken noodle soup. Okay, so first thing you do is you get your noodles in like anywhere. I just cook them, so let me go get those. And so then you get your measuring cup thing. See? And then you pour your noodles in there. Okay. And then next thing that you do is you have to let's see, what was it again? Oh yes. You have to make some soup for like 5 minutes, I think. Let me check the instructions. Oh, okay. I see. It's you have to boil it on the stove for 5 minutes. So let's get the stove flaming with fire. Yeah, where is it? Stove. Okay. This is our stove. Let me turn it on. And get the soup. Okay, so I think our soup is ready now. So let me just get this. Let me take this, turn off the stove, and let me take this down. Hot, oh, phew, okay. So the next thing that you do is you get your noodles. You can put them like on the floor or something. I guess I'll put mine, where should I put mine? I'll put mine right on, no, I put mine, oh, okay, I'll put them on this cooking board thingamabobber. Let's just get this noodles, just over here. Okay. Then you take this, and you pour them out, like that. And then, next thing you do is you can take like anything you want to cut it. I'm going to take like an old pencil and then just cut the noodles really small into LPS size noodles, which are really good. And then you go like this and like this, and you make them really small, like this. And remember, you can try these at home. But first you have to have chicken noodle soup and spaghetti straps. Okay, I think we cut up our noodles enough. One more. There. Okay. Okay. Now, you gather up your noodles like this. And then you get your soup, and you get this, and you get this, and you put your noodles in here. Okay, so just go like this, and get it, yeah. Okay, and then, yay, chicken noodle soup. Oh yeah. Remember, if you want some, tell me.